Are you confused about the 48-hour working limit under the new labor code? So let's decode what the law says and whether it will impact you. So under the new labor code, working hours are capped at 48 hours per week. So that means any work done beyond that 48-hour limit will be treated as overtime. But there is a catch. These 48 hours can be distributed in a week in any way. So it can be 8 hours for 6 days, but it can also be 12 hours for 4 days. So once you have completed your 48 hours for a week, for example, you have done 12 hours for 4 days, then the company is actually entitled to give you 3 paid leaves for that week. Anything beyond that 48-hour limit will be treated as overtime, and you will be entitled for overtime at least twice your normal wage. But the big question is whether this will apply to you or not. So this rule mainly applies to establishments covered under the labor laws, such as shops and factories. For service sector and corporate sector, actual applicability depends on the state level rules. Once your state notifies those rules, then we will have better clarity, because under the labor codes notified by the central government, there is no such clarity whether this applies to all of the employees or only to the workers. As of now, states are still finalizing these rules, and the government is likely planning to enforce these labor codes from 1st of April 2026. You will find more details in the description. Share it with your colleagues who are still confused.